Hello everyone, welcome to IMBUS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update. Let's have a look. So this is from Indian Highways Management Company Limited, IHMCL. Recruitment for the various posts in IHMCL. Okay. So first of all, IHMCL is a company jointly promoted by National Highway Authority of India. Okay ji. So they are going to recruit post on the direct recruitment basis. This is very important thing. They are going to recruit on the direct basis. All right, let's see. So the first is engineer ITS. Now what is this engineer ITS? Just read out here. The display intelligent transport system. Engineer ITS means intelligent transport systems. Okay. So this will be the post. So here you can see E1 grade, pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000 with IDA pattern. Total number of vacancies are 30 here, for unreserved 14 to 4, 8 to respectively. You can see category wise it is mentioned here. Okay. So now the next thing is okay, out of the total 31 posts, 2 posts reserved for the person with benchmark disability, that is also mentioned here. The second is for finance. No, I am focusing only for the engineers. Okay, and here the detail of eligibility criteria. What is this? For engineers ITS, number of posts are 30, E1 grade 40 to 1,40,000. Direct recruitment is the method. Okay, age limit is not less than 21 and not exceeding 30. So age limit will be between 21 to 30 years, dear students, as on the last date of receipt of online applications. Okay ji. Recruitment criteria. Okay, before that, education qualification. So bachelor degree in information technology or computer science students can apply here, first of all. No other branches are allowed, only computer science or information technology. Second, recruitment criteria is mentioned by direct recruitment through the valid GATE scorecard. Graduate aptitude test in engineering score for any of the last 3 years, 2024, 23 or 22. In computer science and information technology, branch is ECS or electronics and communication engineering or electrical engineering or instrumentation engineering or data science and artificial intelligence. So DA students can also apply here. One more changes here in the eligibility criteria. You can see BTech in computer science or electronics and communication, electrical instrumentation, data science and artificial intelligence, or combination of the above engineering branches from a recognized university. Okay ji. So this is a very good opportunity for all the students, including the DA branches. So CS, EC, EE, IN, including DA branches, this is the opportunity. So name of the post that already we discussed. I am not going to cover this one now. Important dates here. So online registration will start, already started from today, that is the 2nd July. Last date will be 16th August 2024, my dear students. Yeah, we are having age relaxation that you can check according to the rules of the Government of India. Please check it out. Important conditions applying the post should ensure the minimum essential qualification. You should have that minimum essential qualification, whatever is required here. Okay ji. Eligibility for availing reservation, that also you need to check. Please check it out, each and every detail. Before applying in any of the vacancy, you need to be 100% sure before applying that one for the related essential qualification. Okay. So I think this is also mentioned. Submit caste category you need to show if you are just asking for the reservation selection process. Let's come to this one. So for engineer ITS, on the basis of merit of the valid GATE score of any of the last 3, 22, 23, 24. Okay, that is clearly mentioned. In the event of number of applications being large, IHMCL will adopt shortlisting criteria to restrict the number of candidates for interaction or interview also. That depends on them. So this is the direct interview process. For final merit list, if there are 2 or more candidates in same category having equal score or marks, so person in the older age shall be placed higher in the merit list. Procedure to apply, this is the mention. Please bacha log check it out, this detail before 16th August you need to fill. Just go with these steps, follow the steps and just fill the application form. Okay, the post carefully carry all Indian service liability. It may be noted any dispute. Okay ji. Okay, I think okay. So yeah, this is clearly mentioned. SC, ST, minority community or woman person with benchmark disability are encouraged to apply. Okay. Or I'm looking for any extra thing here. No. So I think this is all, and then they mention the form also. You need to check it out, the form, okay, where they mention the criteria for the reservation also. You can check it out, my dear students. Each and every detail is mentioned here. You need to fill this form also, which is mentioned at the last. So you can just go with the official website, which I show you here. The official website I am just showing you again. Here is the website, okay ji. www.ihmcl.co.in. go there and just check it out before 16th of the August. Fill the form and check it out, each and every detail, before applying the form. Thank you.